Dr. Nick Araza talking to you about the stretching the calves and the hamstrings, a little combination action. One of my favorite stretches. I do it usually a couple times a week. The best place to do this is in a stairwell. I got stairs in my house, so as I'm walking up the stairs, I usually think I should stretch my calf and hammies, and usually once or twice a week I do it. I like to test, retest, so how I do that, just gonna just stand here, hinge at the hips, see how far down I can go. Okay, so right now I got about 2 inches below my kneecap with my palm. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you can do it on any blocks, any stairwell. Stairwell is great. So you're gonna step up on a stair or on 2 blocks, like this, just the balls of your feet, keeping your spine nice and straight. You're gonna hinge over, okay, like this, and you're going to push up like this as high as you can on your toes, and that'll let you take out all the slack, keeping your spine nice and straight. Okay, this is about as far as I can go before I start to feel it in my hamstrings. Now what I'm going to do is after a second I'm going to slowly lower down my calves. This is pretty darn intense, very therapeutic. Abs stay tight. You can even think about contracting your hip flexors, your glutes, just having everything like sink into that. Okay. Now, the discomfort will stop you from going low, and then what happens is over time it relaxes and you can sink further into it. Usually hang out here. As I hang out, you can take up a little more slack. You start to pulse into those. And just let it relax. Okay, spine is straight. At a certain point, what you can do is you can, since you've taken up all the slack, you can do that round again. Push this up, and then drop down again, and lower down. It can take your breath away. It's pretty intense. Keep it nice, relaxed, therapeutic. Don't force anything, and then come out of it. Okay, so I just do that up the stairs, and you can retest afterwards. See where you're at. Okay, so now I added, this is cool, so since shooting these videos, I've added about 4 inches of length functional motion to my hips. Okay, my back feels better, I just feel good. Keep doing this stuff, it's awesome.